Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So for an everyday makeup look, you need to invest in a very good primer because the makeup will last all day. So you have to invest. I have a very oily face, so I apply the primer all over my face. And for an everyday makeup look, the look is supposed to look natural as you can get. So I'm not drawing the brow, I'm filling in the brow with Davis number 3 eye pencil. I'm drawing a hairline trance. After that, I'm cleaning the lower brow with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. To clean my upper brow, I use my foundation, but this step is actually optional because you can go in and apply your foundation, but I like applying foundation, cleaning my upper brow so that I'll fill in the spaces that I didn't fill. So that I blend it in with my finger so that when I'm applying foundation later, it will be easier. So for my foundation today, I'm using the Ezekiel Even True foundation. I'm applying using this classic foundation brush, and I'm using a dabbing motion for it. I'm not dragging it all over my face. And please don't forget to blend in your neck too, so that the blend will be seamless. So I'm going back in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal, the one I used to clean my lower brow, as my highlighter. And as a beginner, you should blend in as you go. You should not like put all the product before you start blending, because some product can be very difficult to blend. They dry very fast. So you apply, you blend, you apply, you blend. And if you have heard the smaller the best, like you should not use much product. The less is more in this case. So I'm still using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base. So I'm applying it, I blend it in so that I'll do with my liquid product. Then I go in with my powders. Right now I'm setting all the places I highlighted with my setting powder. And I don't bake, guys, I just set it immediately, because you can actually bake if you want to, but I like just setting it immediately. So for my contour and my blush, I'm going in with this Avo Professional Powder Palette, and I'm using that shade. You see, it's not that dark. Since it's an everyday makeup, I don't want it to look too dark, so I'm using just that shade. And I apply using a circular motion so that there will be no harsh lines. And I contour my hairline so that I don't want to look like I have a mask on. Since I want to create the shape of the nose I want, I contour my nose too. So I'm going in with the first coat of my finishing powder. I apply this all over my face. Using a stippling motion, I just apply it all over my face. Everything will be well blended. Then I like doing a reverse contour because it makes my cheekbones pop a little bit more. So that I blend it in immediately. I don't let it set. I just blend it in immediately. So for my blush, I'm going in with a red blush. If you guys don't know, I'm a blush whore. And there's nothing as too much blush, because you are taking this makeup for the whole day. Before you even leave the house, the blush might have dimmed. So you can apply as much as you want. So I'm not doing too much with the eye today. I'm going with this burnt yellow shade as my transition color. Then I use a brown to apply as my main color all over my eye. I'm dabbing it in. After I dab in my eyelid, I go back in with that brush I used to apply my transition color to blend everything in, so that there will be no harsh lines, so that the flow will be seamless. So I go in with a gel liner to line my waterline, and I'm using black. This one too does not much. Even though you cry, it does not move. And I'm tight lining too. So today I'm not drawing any wicked wing or anything today because I want everything to be minimal. So I just draw a very minimal wing, if there is anything like that. So I use the second shade, the one I used to apply on my lid area. I use it to smudge out my under eye because, like I usually say, continuity is very important. And as when you are not doing too much with the eye, I think this just changed the whole eye look. I know some people don't like this. This is my second coat of finishing powder. People will say, you are wearing too much powder, but believe me, I'm using this makeup for a whole day and powder is important. So I go in with my lashes. If you have a natural lash, like your lash is long enough, you can go in with mascara. But me, that's not my case. So falsies to the rescue every time. So I'm setting the whole of my face and batting it in with my finishing spray. And Kiss Beauty is actually a good product. This step 2 is optional. If you want to highlight, I think you should go not too out as you usually would. Just be minimal highlighting. Your cheekbone, all the areas you usually highlight. But me, I think I went too much today. The tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose. And my cubic bow too. So for my lips today, when I'm doing an everyday makeup look, I usually like going nude. Like the lips should be nude, my eyeshadow should be nude. So I'm lining my lips with this brown pencil. I've forgotten the name of the pencil, but it's brown. It's not Davis. This one is not actually Davis. So I use it to fill it in too. I use it to fill, after lining it, I use it to fill in my lips. Then I go in with this matte lipstick. Matte lipstick, it's nude. And guys, when you are doing makeup, don't be shy to use your hands. I use my hand to blend in my lipstick, since I don't want there to be any line of demarcation. I want everything to look blended. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give your girl a big thumbs up if you like the video, and share with a friend too. Until the next video, thank you. Bye.